Ever wondered if there's a simple, stress-free way to accumulate wealth? Well, according to Bill Schultheis, a former Wall Street advisor, it's possible to plan your financial future while sipping a cup of coffee. Intriguing, isn't it? Welcome to a comprehensive explanation of The New Coffeehouse Investor, a straightforward guide to investing without the stress, noise, or hype. Investing today can be overwhelming. The constant influx of information from CNBC, Reddit, TikTok gurus, and the constant fluctuations of stocks and cryptocurrencies can be a lot to handle. Schultheis, who once had insider information as a Wall Street broker, realized that even the pros couldn't consistently beat the market. That led him to quit and write a book advising people to stop trying to beat the system and instead ride it wisely. The industry often sells three big lies. First, you need to be an expert. Contrary to this, the average investor often loses because they overestimate their knowledge of the market. Second, pick the right fund and win big. However, active funds typically charge more, and 90% of them underperform over time. Lastly, you need to follow the market every day. This approach tends to be stressful, addictive, and rarely productive. This is where the Coffeehouse Philosophy comes into play. Its core message is, investing should be simple, boring, and automatic. Schultheis likens building wealth to making great coffee. You need the right ingredients, which are diversified funds, the right process, an automated, long-term mindset, and the patience to let it brew, or in other words, compound interest. The Coffeehouse Philosophy has three main principles. First, don't put all your beans in one cup. Diversification is key, not just across stocks, but across asset classes as well. US stocks, international stocks, and bonds. This strategy reduces risk and provides stability to your portfolio. Second, stop trying to outperform. Accept average returns and you'll end up above average. If the market returns 8% a year and you pay 2% in fees and lose 1% trying to time the market, you're already behind. Lastly, automate and forget. Set up automatic contributions, rebalance once a year, and then stop touching it. Whether the market crashes or booms, patience always trumps panic. Now let's dive into the Coffeehouse Portfolio. This 7-fund portfolio includes large cap index fund, Large Cap Value Index Fund, Small Cap Index Fund, Small Cap Value Index Fund, International Index Fund, Bond Fund, and REIT Fund. This ensures 60% total stock exposure and 40% bond or stability. The Coffeehouse portfolio works because it's low cost, easy to manage, built for long-term returns, and takes the emotion out of investing. For those seeking an even simpler approach, consider the three-fund Coffeehouse portfolio: total U.S. stock market, total international stock market, and total bond market. This strategy streamlines the investment process while still adhering to the principles of the Coffeehouse philosophy. So the next time you find yourself overwhelmed by the complexities of investing, remember the Coffeehouse philosophy. Keep it simple, boring, and automatic. In the world of investing, it seems less is often more.